I'm going to show you how to remove your phone number from PayPal. First, you're going to go to paypal.com and sign into your PayPal account. Now you want to click on the settings wheel or icon on the top bar here. Now from here, make sure you're on the account tab and you should find all your details here. Just click on phone numbers, change, and this should allow you to basically add a new phone number before removing the old one. So you gotta click on add new and then just specify your phone number and the type, whether it's mobile or landline. And once you've added your phone number, you gotta click on change again and switch the new one to be the primary mobile phone number. And then you will be able to remove the old phone number. You gotta have at least one phone number in your account. So you can't just remove the old one if you only have that. You gotta add the new one to remove the old one and set the other one as the primary. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.